Hi, hello viewer, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to insert a watermark in Microsoft Word. Yeah, there's sometimes you want to insert watermarks in your Microsoft Word, is either to protect your document or to send some vital message to the viewer. Watermarks are actually embedded in the background of your document without disturbing the text on them. Yeah, there are two ways to insert the watermark. First of all, make sure you're in home, then you need to go over to the page layout. Then you have this bar which is with the watermark tab. Now you can click on the watermark over here, but first of all, before I click the watermark over, I need to let you know you can insert the watermark at the beginning of the document if you are sure that you are going to insert the watermark, or you can actually paste the watermark after you have created the document. Now in this case, I'm going to paste a dummy text over here, as you can see. So I have a dummy text pasted, and let's say I want to insert a watermark below. So first of all, I'm going to be in my page layer, then go to the watermark tab. So by default you have some words for you: confidential, do not copy, in their various format. So you can actually create your own custom watermark. That is, you can write whatsoever you want to write. Yeah, you can add picture watermark, or you can use a text watermark. Most time it's text watermark that looks interesting. So here you can select the language if you want it. Over here, select the language you want. Here you can select these are the default words that you can use. So or you can type yours out. These are the default original, do not copy this, or you can actually type yours. Let's say I'm gonna say I want mine to be dummy. I'm just gonna write dummy. In this case, I'm gonna write dummy text. As you can see, you can type your word, and then you can change your font type, and that's it. Your font type, you can choose any font type of your choice, and then you can also decide how big or small it becomes, and you can also decide the color. Let me just use red. Then you can say you want it to be diagonal, that is, you want it to have to be like this, or you want it to be horizontal. So in my case, I'm going to leave it at horizontal, and the semi-transparent is to is how visible it's going to be. Most time it's good to leave that semi-transparent, but if you really want it to show very well, you can remove the semi-transparent, so it's going to look very emboldened. So now in this case, I'm going to leave that semi-transparent, diagonal, and I'm going to say apply. So as you can see, my watermark below, it says dummy text. As you can see it below the document, dummy text, dummy text, dummy text, dummy text. It's going to be on all the pages of the document because it's actually a watermark. So this is how to insert a watermark in Microsoft Word. And don't forget, you can customize the watermark as you want. And if you don't want this watermark anymore, you can then go back here and you can say remove watermark. Or if you want to custom the previous watermark that you have used, I want it to be more bigger. In some cases, let's say you want it to be more bigger, in this case it's very small, I can put it here. I can still remove the semi-transparent. I can say okay, as you can see, it's more bigger. So that is how to go back to customize your watermark. And if you actually want to remove it, you can just go back over here and say remove watermark. Then it's going to go away from all of the pages. So that is how to insert watermark into your document. All right, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video really helpful, I want you to like this video, and if you're new to my channel, please kindly ensure you subscribe to my channel to get more tips and more interesting videos from me. Have a nice day.